Clackamas County Service District Number 1 collects and cleans more than 3 billion gallons of wastewater annually before releasing it into area rivers. It also provides surface water management services.
Well, the reason we're here is to protect the water quality and public health. That's the bottom line.
The Clackamas County Board of Commissioners is the governing body of CCSD Number 1. Daily operations are managed by Water Environment Services, a department of Clackamas County. CCSD Number 1 provides wastewater treatment and surface water management to the unincorporated areas of North Clackamas County, the city of Happy Valley, the western edges of Damascus, and the communities of Boring, Hoodland, and Fishers Forest Park. In addition, it provides wastewater treatment services to the city of Milwaukee and parts of Gladstone and Johnson City under wholesale contract agreements. There are 4 wastewater treatment plants in CCSD Number 1, and each of them is different. Built in the 1970s with the help of generous federal grants, the district's largest wastewater treatment facility, the Kellogg Creek Water Pollution Control Plant in Milwaukee, serves a population of 78,000. The plant is designed to treat up to 10 million gallons per day. It provides a quality effluent using an industry-standard activated sludge process with ultraviolet disinfection. Because of significant regional growth since it was built, Kellogg has reached its capacity. With no room to expand there, CCSD Number 1 is building more capacity at the site of its neighboring district's Tri-City Water Pollution Control Plant in Oregon City. The $125 million plus project broke ground in 2008 and is scheduled to go online in 2011. It will address CCSD Number 1's immediate needs and provide a platform for further expansion to meet expected future demands. In addition to Kellogg, CCSD Number 1 operates 3 other wastewater treatment facilities. The smallest, Fishers Forest Park in the Redland area of Oregon City, is a large septic system with a subsurface gravel drain field that serves 26 families. The Boring Sewage Treatment Facility serves about 70 homes and businesses. During the summer, it's covered by a shade cloth to reduce algae blooms that compete with the beneficial bacteria. It also keeps the water cooler when discharged into the receiving stream to protect fish.
It's called a lagoon sand filter system. We use a hypochlorite bleach solution for disinfection. We use an aqueous biological process here where the bacteria use the nutrients in the waste stream as food. We filter our effluent through a sand filter system, and then we disinfect it with a bleach solution, and then we discharge into a small creek that feeds into the Clackamas River system.
The Hoodland Treatment Plant is another different kind of treatment facility in the Welches area.
It's called an RBC plant, a rotating biocontactor. The bugs grow on these plastic discs that spin in an aerated basin. And then we have regular clarifiers. We disinfect air with hypochlorite solution, and then we discharge into the Sandy River about a mile away.
In addition to wastewater treatment, CCSD Number 1 maintains over 250 miles of sanitary sewer lines. Maintenance crews routinely inspect underground sewer lines in the neighborhoods throughout the district. Technicians use specifically designed cameras to look for breaks and blockages. Preventative maintenance protects against sewage backups into homes and yards that pose dangerous health risks. Blockages are often caused by people disposing of grease and fats in their sinks. Pressurized hydro cleaning removes most of those clogs. Water Environment Services, on behalf of CCSD Number 1, also manages surface water and watershed health. Other maintenance crews routinely inspect and clean stormwater drains to prevent flooding and backups. Stakeholder groups made up of citizens, environmentalists, and business interests help navigate tougher state and federal regulations by identifying the most effective and efficient means to improve watershed health.
I was on the Surface Water Management Citizens Advisory Committee for a number of years, and what Wes did was look to us for ideas and how they could improve the system, what they could do with runoff, how they could improve habitat, and saw the work firsthand that they did to protect the environment.
We've recently completed a watershed action plan to take a look at the watershed health and look at ways that we can either protect, improve, restore, or enhance the watershed with various measures. So we've looked at the watershed health, which really boils down to 4 factors: the hydrology, the habitat, water quality, and the biological communities. And so By collecting this baseline information over time, we can look at trends and try to put in practices that will reduce the effects of urbanization over time and protect these watersheds for the future.